we have a brand new cuddly yarn that we know you're just going to love. Maxim Super Soft is a wonderful yarn with multiple plies spun tightly together with brushed fibers. This gives each stitch beautiful definition and a gorgeous halo effect that one expects from a roving yarn, yet is found in this very special multi-ply yarn. Maxim Super Soft is 350 yards per 3.5 ounce ball of yarn, or 320 meters per 100 gram ball of yarn. It also has a fiber content of 72% acrylic, 28 polyester, making this yarn so incredibly soft. Maxim Super Soft is firmly in the medium weight size 4 yarn category. You'll love knitting or crocheting with this yarn, but we do recommend sizing up your hooks or needles when given the chance, always keeping gauge in mind. We have some really fun plans for this yarn, so you're going to want to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to the blog and for our YouTube channel. That's where all the goods are at. And then you'll also want to add your favorite color to your cart for our next super quick project. Looking for a new project? Consider the Super Soft Blanket. Knit with the color Fog. When finished, this blanket measures 43 inches by 52 inches, making it a beautiful throw for any room in your home. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on all of our social media profiles. Happy crafting!